In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free ChatGPT account, what options you have before creating one, and the exact steps to get started. First, here's something useful to know. OpenAI says ChatGPT is free to use, and you can now even try it at chatgpt.com before creating an account. On the ChatGPT homepage, there's a Try It First option, which lets you test ChatGPT right away. But if you want your own free ChatGPT account, the process is simple. Go to ChatGPT and choose Sign Up for free. OpenAI's login page currently shows both log in and sign up for free, so that's where you begin. Next, create your account using your preferred sign-in method. Depending on your region, OpenAI may let you sign up with an email address, or in some places, with a phone-only sign-up flow. OpenAI's Help Center says phone-only sign-ups are only available in certain countries, so for most people, the standard email sign-up method is the normal option. After that, complete the verification steps shown on screen. If you ever run into a message like, "This user already exists," OpenAI says that usually means you already started sign up before. So instead of creating a new account again, you should try logging in with the same sign-up method you used earlier. Once your account is ready, you can start using the free plan. OpenAI's Help Center says the ChatGPT free tier is available, although some features have usage limits compared with paid plans. For example, OpenAI notes that free users have limited access windows for some advanced features, and GPT creation is currently for paid plans rather than the free tier. One more helpful tip. Make sure ChatGPT is supported in your country or region before signing up. OpenAI maintains a supported countries list in its Help Center, and access depends on being in a supported location. And if you ever have trouble during sign-up, like not getting the verification email or being unable to activate the account, the free tier, you may still be able to use public GPTs that are shared with you or publicly available, depending on current access rules and limits. And if you just want to try ChatGPT quickly without committing right away, OpenAI's homepage guide says you can test ChatGPT before making an account. That's probably the fastest free entry point for most people. So if you're asking how to access ChatGPT 4 for free, the modern answer is use ChatGPT's free tier. Understand that model availability has changed over time, and use the free access OpenAI currently provides rather than looking for the older GPT-4 setup specifically. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.